What's going on, guys? We're going to an apartment building today and we got to go to a toilet on the first floor. I tried augering it out, I can't get through it. I think there's something stuck in it, or could be the vent that's plugged up. So we're gonna see. We're gonna try snaking the vent. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna pull the toilet and see if we find anything in there. So I'm hesitant to do that because there's cockroaches all over the place. When I first went in there, they were everywhere. When I went back in, they had scattered. I don't like bugs. So let's see what we find. Hello? Okay, so I'm going to be recording this.
What?
I said I'm going to be recording this, and I'm going to be closing the door because I don't want to smell dope right now.
Okay.
All right? Thank you.
That comes out. This goes in. You gotta shut off the water. We'll undo the water supply.
Then we're going to use our 1/2-inch wrench to undo the nuts and bolts, toilet bolts.
Same thing on this side. So now we're gonna pick the toilet up, put it in the bathtub. You can see nothing in there. Alright, now we're going to lift the toilet, put it upside down.
Hey, boss.
Yeah.
Can you come here for a second?
Yeah. You alright?
Am I alright? Yeah, I don't want to get splashed in the face. Tampons.
Tampons?
Wet wipes. Or something similar.
Ew. What the fuck?
Whoever you let in your house.
That right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta tell your people to come in here not to be flushing stuff like that. Yeah, you gotta tell people they can't flush anything other than toilet paper, because it does that, it plugs it up.
They left, the people left.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah. first one, always takes 2. Alright.
There you guys go. Till next time, this has been Jay, that Dream Guy, signing out. Ciao now.